Imagine a world where creativity wasn't just a talent, but a scientifically nurtured asset. That was the vision in 1999 when Kevin Ma founded what began as a humble testing service in Beijing. It wasn't just a company, it was a rebellion against the standardized, rigid education systems of the past. ATA Creativity, Global, or AACG, started with a single powerful idea: to unlock human potential through technology. From a small office with a handful of dreamers, they saw a gap that no one else was filling. They realized that the future belonged to the creators, the designers, and the innovators. What began as a testing authority transformed into a beacon for creative arts. They didn't just teach, they curated futures. As they pivoted to focus on creative education, they solved the massive problem of connecting raw talent with world-class opportunities, bridging the gap between local students and global art institutions. Slowly but surely, the whisper became a roar. They expanded from a single city to a nationwide network, establishing training centers in every major cultural hub. Their workforce grew from dozens to hundreds, a dedicated army of educators and tech experts united by a singular, unwavering mission. Investors started to take notice. This wasn't just another education stock, it was a bet on the future of the workforce itself. As they listed on the NASDAQ, they proved that a Chinese education company could stand shoulder to shoulder with global giants, driven by a vision that was both local and universal. The backbone of their success was an unrelenting commitment to quality. They didn't just open schools, they built ecosystems. Every new center was a testament to their execution, turning skepticism into belief. They weathered market storms and regulatory changes, emerging stronger and more focused every time. Now, we are witnessing a seismic shift. AACG is no longer just an education company, it is becoming a technology powerhouse. They are integrating cutting-edge artificial intelligence into the very core of their operations, transforming how education is delivered, assessed, and personalized for every student. Imagine an AI that predicts a student's artistic trajectory before they even pick up a brush. AACG is leveraging predictive analytics to tailor curriculums in real time. This isn't just efficiency, it is hyper-personalization at scale. Automated workflows are slashing overhead costs, driving margins higher than ever before. Machine learning algorithms are now analyzing thousands of portfolios, providing instant, data-driven feedback that human instructors use to refine their teaching. This symbiotic relationship between man and machine is boosting productivity, allowing the company to serve more students without diluting quality. This technological evolution is setting the stage for a massive leap in profitability. By automating the mundane, AACG frees its human capital to focus on high-value mentorship and strategic growth. Then comes the game changer, collaborations. Recently, AACG shattered expectations by entering the blockchain and digital asset space. Their strategic partnership with Baby BTC Strategic Capital is not just a deal, it is a metamorphosis. This move opens the floodgates to the multi-trillion-dollar digital economy. This collaboration aims to bridge the gap between traditional education and the decentralized web. By integrating blockchain for credentialing and potentially exploring tokenized incentives, they are pioneering a learn-to-earn model that could revolutionize the entire education sector and attract a new generation. These partnerships are expanding their market influence far beyond China. They are positioning themselves at the intersection of education, AI, and Web3. This diversification reduces risk while offering exponential upside. It's the kind of forward-thinking strategy that turns a small cap into a market leader. And yet, look at the price. Trading around $0.90, the stock is currently sitting at a level that many experts believe disconnects from its intrinsic value. The market is pricing it as a traditional education play, completely ignoring the AI and blockchain optionality that is bubbling under the surface. This is where the opportunity lies. The stock has seen high volatility, yes, but recent movements suggest a coiling spring. Volume is picking up. The smart money is starting to sniff out the potential of their tech pivot. When the broader market realizes the scope of their AI integration, the repricing could be violent. Think about the psychology of the market. Investors love a turnaround story, but they love a tech transformation story even more. AACG is offering both. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is real. We are talking about a company with a proven legacy now arming itself with the most disruptive tools of our time. If their AI roadmap executes as planned and these partnerships mature, we aren't just looking at incremental growth. We could be looking at a multi-bagger potential. The downside seems capped by their tangible assets and revenue, but the upside is tethered only to the success of their innovation. This is the moment before the dawn. The pieces are all on the board. A solid history, a pivot to AI, massive new revenue streams through partnerships, and a stock price that hasn't yet caught up to the news. It is a rare confluence of value and growth that demands your attention right now. Don't let this fly under your radar. Watch the ticker. Read the reports. Stay glued to their news feed. If AACG continues this pace of innovation, the 090 range will be a distant memory, a what-if story you tell your friends. The future is being built today, and ATA Creativity Global is holding the blueprint.